In June, Israel delivered a shocking blow to Iran with a meticulously planned intelligence and military operation that had been in development for years, effectively targeting high-ranking objectives with remarkable accuracy. Leveraging the expertise of spies and the capabilities of artificial intelligence, the Israeli forces executed a nighttime assault involving warplanes and armed drones that had been covertly introduced into Iranian airspace, swiftly neutralizing a significant portion of Iran's air defense and missile infrastructure. This newfound liberty in the skies allowed Israel to launch strikes on critical nuclear facilities, resulting in the deaths of prominent generals and leading scientists. When Iran finally managed to respond hours later, its capacity for retaliation, already hampered by previous Israeli assaults, had significantly waned. And now another element of Israel's operations is in the headlines, and that is the role of female Mossad agents who penetrated Iran. Here's all you need to know. Women in the Mossad have not only engaged in seducing male adversaries and monitoring Iran's nuclear facilities, but have also executed kinetic strikes and other offensive operations. The female operatives working for the Israeli spy agency are embracing a broader range of covert assignments compared to those who came before them. According to the Jerusalem Post, Mossad Director David Barnea considers the contributions of female agents during the Israel-Iran conflict to be immensely significant. Barnea deployed hundreds of Mossad agents, along with individuals under their guidance, to execute operations within Iran at the same time. These diverse teams worked in highly synchronized efforts. The chief of Mossad spearheaded an initiative that resulted in a wide array of operatives, showcasing a multitude of backgrounds among the agents involved. In addition to the established Mossad operatives, the spy agency has made significant strides in enlisting and training local Iranian dissidents to undermine Ayatollah Khamenei's regime. Together, the Mossad operatives stationed in Tehran focused on numerous radar installations and ballistic missile systems. Moreover, they supplied crucial targeting data to Israeli fighter aircraft for a variety of additional Iranian objectives. Israel's operations against Iran have again spotlighted its globally feared spy agencies. Such success was only possible due to the careful and secretive nature of covert intelligence operations. Israel depends on the unique relationship between its security establishment, intelligence network, and the high-tech sector. Israel's intelligence agencies have gained an aura of invincibility over the decades because of a string of achievements. Israel has foiled West Bank plots, allegedly hunted down Hamas operatives in the UAE, and been accused of killing nuclear scientists in the heart of Iran. Mossad is one of the three major intelligence organizations of Israel, along with Amman, which is in charge of military intelligence, and the Shin Bet, which oversees internal security. Even when their efforts have stumbled, agencies like the Mossad, Shin Bet, and military intelligence have maintained their mystique.